Good morning children, I am Kesan sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besan school. In previous class we have discussed chapter large numbers. Today also we have to continue the same topic, large numbers workbook. So workbook 14, problem number 14. See, number numeral with commas. This is system, Indian system of numeration. Indian system. Number numeral with commas. Numeral with commas. Next to number name. Name. So what is the number? 4105625. Indian system of this is first Indian system of numeration. Okay. Numeral with commas. 4105625. 1 to 10 to 100. 1000, 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh. So 41. So what is the number name? 41 lakh. 41 lakh. Okay. 5,000. 5,000. 625. 625. Okay children, so this is the Indian system of numeration. Next, what about international system of numeration? Same number 4105625. Now international system 4105625. 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next to million. So 4 million. 4 million 105,000. 625. 625. So this is the 14th sum solution. Okay, note down. Next to long answer questions, 15th one I will explain. Children, note down this one. Next to 15th one. Write the following numbers in the place value chart according to the Indian system of numeration. Okay, 2 crore 30 lakh 69,000 and 1. Okay, so once next tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, ten lakhs, next to crores. Crores. So first one, A. Once read the question. Sin 2 crore. So where is the crores place? 2 crore. Next 13 lakh. So 13 1 3 13 lakh. 69,000 and 1 means, so here 0, here 0, 100 plus 0, 10 plus 0. Okay, this is the first one. I hope it's very clear. So this is A. Next to B. 13 lakh. So 13 lakh means crores place, we should not write anything. 13 lakh. 13 lakh. Next 67,000. Sorry, 67,000. 215. 215. Okay children, so this is the second one. Next to C. 3 crore, crores place 3 crore. 47 lakh. 47 lakh. 18,000. 203. So 100 plus 200 and 3. So and 3 means what we have to write here? 0. 203. So 10th place is 0. So this is the C solution. Next, last. What about D? 5 crore. 5 crore. 61 lakh. 61 lakh. 33,000. 33,000. 357. 357. So this is the table. You have to write 15th solution. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Note down this one. Next to 16th one, international system of numeration. I will explain like this only. Okay children, note down this one. seen. 16th one, internal system of numeration. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, 1 to 10 to 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, next 10 million. Now all of you read the question first. The first one, 40 million. 40 million means 40 million. Next, 369,000. 369,000. Okay, 241. So 100 place 241. 241. This is the first one. Okay children. Next, A completed. Next to B, 947,000. So 947,000 means where is the thousands period? Here starts. 947,000. 47,000. So in 10 millions place and millions place we should not write anything. 947,000. Okay, 1000. 217. 217. Okay, so this is the B solution. Next to C, 6 million. So not 60 million, only 6 million. So 10th million place we should not write, only 6 million. So million place 6 million. 718,000. 718,000. 301. So 301. Okay, so this is the C solution. Next, D, 821,000. So 821,000. 359. 359. So this is here 10 million place and million place is empty. Why? Because it has been started 821,000. That means 100,000 only it has been started. Okay children. So this is the 16th one solution. I hope it's very clear. Note down. Next to all of you open 17th one. Write down 17th one question. Note down children first this one. Next, 17th one. Compare these two numerals. Okay, seen now. Compare 9239 5678 5678 and 5487 5487 324. So ones, tens, hundred, okay, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So first of all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits. Okay, so 9 2 3 9 5 6 7 8. So what you can understand, this one 9 crore 23 lakh, okay, 95,678. This is first. Next, second one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. So start from here, 5 4 8 7 3 2 4. Okay, so this is 54 lakh 87,324. Okay, now which is more? The first one is more than the second one. So more means greater than symbol. Mathematically we have to use greater than symbol. That means 9 crore 23 lakh 95,678 is greater than 54 lakh 87,324. I hope it's very clear, children. Okay, note down the 17th one. Okay, next 18th one, you can do it easily. Okay, do 18th one homework. Okay, children, note down. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Now I will give you the homework. So what is today's homework? Workbook. Concept, topic name large number. Okay, concept 3.1. The problem number up to 18, 11 to 18, 11 to 18. All these problems you have to do practice. Children, concentrately you have to watch the videos first thing. Okay. Next, whatever it is, what I have explained you, that one you have to write in your workbook also. The same thing, the same problems you have to do practice in your practice book. Okay children, this is very clear. I hope you understood very well. Okay, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. What about the periods of Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration, and what about the place value charts? Okay, many 10 times each and every table you have to read and write, then only you can remember. Okay children, you follow this one, definitely you can answer all these questions. Some questions without I am explaining you also you can do it very well. Okay, it's very clear. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.